I'm going to be filming this look right here. I know I wanted to do a festive Christmas makeup look because I love doing them, and I also know I wanted to experiment using my James Charles palette again. This palette made this look so easy to do and I absolutely am in love with it. I did a halo eye, which is like burgundies and oranges and then the gold in the middle, and I will show you how I did that. And I also have done a red lip, which is perfect for Christmas time. I personally find red lips really messy because I personally can't do them very well, so I probably would wear a nude lip with this for like long duration of time. So yes, if you enjoy this look, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe because it would mean a lot to me, and make sure you hit that bell to keep posted on the videos that I upload. And yes, without further ado, if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then just carry on watching.